Hey human, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beauty food chick. Today I am going to feed the giraffes. Yes! Hey human, I'm super excited. I'm going on an adventure to feed the giraffes and I would like you to come with me. Yes, I'm in Kenya. All right, let's go do this. It's always special to experience adventures with friends. Sophie and her kids are here. Savik also is here, my fellow YouTuber. Today is no different. Look at the smiles. We're all set for the day of fun at the Giraffe Center. I am honestly super excited to have Savik and my wonderful friend with me. By the roofs, you can tell how old.
But then there's modern mixed within them.
As we drive through the city, I couldn't help but notice how similar Kenya's townships are to other African countries. So these are like low-cost areas.
They are.
It's like a reminder that Africa shares this beautiful interconnectedness. Whether in Nairobi or another country, we see the warmth, the energy on the streets. That's Africa for you. Alright. So we are here, and from my smile, I am sure you can tell that I am super stoked, super excited to experience this. And I am sure not just me, everybody's excited. You should see, yeah, already vlogging. You should see it on their faces. Look at the excitement. Everybody's excited. Yeah, let's go. Now, one thing I love about this place is their attention to hygiene. This place was clean. And before you get to meet these giraffes, guess what? Washing your hands is a must. They have the liquid soap. They have a paper towel for you to clean your hands. Nobody wants the giraffes to get sick. And my darling friend Sophie kindly handles the tickets. I love her so much for that. And Moses, our wonderful chauffeur, distributed them to everyone as we receive our feeding instructions immediately after that from our guide. On their tongue. It's basically a quick guide on how to safely approach them and what kind of food you'll be feeding them. Where's yours? That was fast, Moses. Here I spot other visitors feeding the giraffes. Moses gets in on the fun too, and it's such a joyous moment. It's amazing how interactive this experience is. Feeding these majestic creatures.
Let's go.
We have these kids come feed the giraffe. This looks like a baby giraffe.
Sorry, a baby giraffe.
Feeding these majestic creatures is so much fun. Look at the joy on everyone's faces. It's so heartwarming to see the kids in action. These moments of connection with nature are unforgettable. And it's something children especially will remember for years to come. Even me. Finally, it's my turn. I grab the food, and as I feed the giraffes, I am absolutely thrilled. And guess what? Among the giraffes, I spot a warthog strolling by. Can you believe that? Amazing.
Again.
Wow,
Go ahead.
I didn't expect this little surprise. A warthog just chilling with the giraffes. How cool is that? Feeding the giraffe was such an exciting experience, and I couldn't stop smiling. Of course, the adventure doesn't end there. After the feeding session, we head to the giraffe gallery where we dive into the fascinating history of the different giraffe species found in Kenya. Our guide took her time explaining every detail, which made the experience even more enriching. Learning about the giraffes' origins and their conservation efforts was incredibly inspiring. Kenya is truly dedicated to preserving these wonderful animals, and it's for the future generations. Before we wrap up, we grab a quick coffee, drinks at the cafe on the premises, and of course, I can't resist checking out the souvenir shop with its beautiful handcrafted pieces. The perfect way to end this adventure. Coffee break, picking up some lovely souvenirs, of course, to remember the day by. If you're in Kenya, make sure to visit this Giraffe Center. It's an experience you won't forget. And if you would like me to join you on your adventure to create content for your trip, I'll be more happy to help. Let's explore together. My goodness, that was really, really lovely. And it's time to go eat. Oh, I will never, ever, ever forget this day in my whole entire life. That I was in close proximity to a giraffe. Yay! All right, let's go. Looking forward to more adventures to come. That adventure was
Epic.
epic.
Adventure.
Yes, it was.
Adventure.
Yes, it was. Legendary. You heard it from the baby's mouth. Legendary. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Please like and share. Bye.